Hello friends, a very warm welcome once again to the MLMKP channel. Friends, today video focus on highway blockchain and it is a recording of an international meeting. दोस्तों मैं आप सभी को बताना चाहूँगा यह वीडियो इंटरनेशनल जूम मीटिंग का रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियो है। जूम रात में 11:30 बजे इंडिया टाइम के हिसाब से लाइव होता है। 11:40 पे मीटिंग स्टार्ट होती है और इंडिया लेवल पे जो मीटिंग होती है रात में 9 बजे होती है, डेली होती है। ये एक ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी आ रहा है वेब 3 का हाईवे ब्लॉकचेन के नाम से। ब्लॉकचेन बेस्ड ऑल नेटवर्क एक्सेप्ट करेगा, यानी कि हर एक ब्लॉकचेन इसमें मर्ज होंगे। दोस्तों ये कोई अपना प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, लाइफ टाइम चलने वाला प्रोजेक्ट है। इसको बस बारीकी से समझने की देरी है और मैं इससे रिलेटेड टेलीग्राम चैनल पे देता रहूँगा, उसका लिंक वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगा। बाकी आप कंटिन्यू वीडियो देखें।
So first of all, you need to log in, then you go to wallet.
Good evening, everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to our first part of the presentation. Everybody, please listen up when Mr. Adriano talks to you guys to say what is the rules all about. Don't write done after you do the form, and also don't share the link. If you guys gonna share the link, we're gonna remove you, or if you say done, we're also gonna remove you because you guys don't listen. I don't know how many times must we tell you guys what to do. Or if you don't understand English, please come to us, ask us what is the rules all about. So guys, please ask your boss, and then we can do whatever we can do here, please. So guys, we are here as a big team. We here want to win. We want you guys to do like smart people do, like it's showing you in front of the screen and showing you highway space, long-term passive income opportunity for smart people like me and you. But if you guys don't listen to us, how can you be a smart person? So let us help you to be a smart person. So I think that will be very awesome for you to be a smart person. Let's go to the next slide. As you guys can see, highway space, the goal of the call, lifetime passive income with the following benefits: regular cash flow, predictable and continuous monthly income, time freedom, you no longer trade time for money, instead money works for you, quality family time, more moments with loved ones, including longer vacations, personal freedom, time to pursue other meaningful goals and aspirations, better health and well-being, improved well-being, and healthier lifestyle. Lifestyle design, you can design your lifestyle, living life on your own terms and enjoying your dream lifestyle. Who doesn't want that? Guys, that's going to be awesome. Go to the next one. The next slide was saying, what's highway space? So who can say what is highway space? Highway space is just awesome. Let me just check here. I see I've got the wrong one here at my side. Just open up here quickly. I say, what is highway space, guys? Highway space is a fast cross-chain infrastructure designed for seamless arbitrage, liquidity flow, and asset transfers across multiple blockchains. It's carefully crafted with tested and proven strategies to be the most structured and truly decentralized bridge network in the world, empowering users, traders, and ecosystems to move value freely without compromising on speed, security, and sovereignty. There we say now. Hello, highway. As you guys can see, what's it all about? Let's see what is it all about. Market problem. In transferring assets between different blockchain networks is truly slow, expensive, and risky. Existing bridges are often hacked. Solution: Mosaic highways like us here, a decentralized highway that connects the largest blockchain networks securely and efficiently, powered by thousands of independent participants and automatically leverages prices different across markets and generate profits. How it works: the system monitors various exchanges and blockchains in real time, detects price differences, and executes transactions in a way that creates extra value profit for users. In other words, arbitrage is built into a platform call, your money constantly working for you. How good is that, guys? You working for your money or your money work for you? You can decide which one you want to have. How you can participate and benefit. We will show you simple ways to become part of the Mosaic Highway ecosystem. You will learn how anyone, even without technical knowledge, can join the network, how to invest through special packages, and how to earn passive income from the growth and operation of the system. This is just way awesome, guys. We will do it for you. We will show you what to do. It is just, I don't know how to say it. They keep on saying it's awesome, awesome, but yeah, it's just the way it goes. Let us see for the other one, for the Mosaic blockchain. It is not a standalone blockchain. It is a strategic layer built on top of the Mosaic chain, boosts Mosaic chain's utility and global relevance, strengthens network security through demand, increases transaction volume and staking activity, expands Mosaic chain role in cross-chain economy. So guys, if you guys can see there, it's just awesome. This is just the way to go. If you don't understand everything, everything is here as we show you here. There's no other way to do it. Stability and ensured by the results achieved over 4 years at Novalus Prime, 37,000 million USD. During the first 3.5 years, the project was funded through community crowdfunding. Guys, you see there, 37 million USD. It's just a lot of money there. 30,000 community. We are looking for smart people like me and you who understands the philosophy of blockchain technology. 2,399 validators, so it's like machines from the launch that will operate with a decentralized and distributed network. That is just fantastic. You guys can see the next slide. Next slide shows us Novalus Prime, a company that has proven in only bring top-tier projects with verified developer teams and is now launching a completely new revolutionary project, not with just one world-class team, but with two, like I said. It's amazing. Copy trade platform fully operational since 2023. Decentralized launchpad finished to launch. Blockchain optimized for DeFi live and fully operational since October the 9th, 2025. We're already in 2026, so these guys are hard at work. Decentralized AI under development. Guys, if you don't know what's AI, everybody got WhatsApp. Please go on your WhatsApp. You will see there's a blue circle. Click on that blue circle, and you can type anything there. They will splash out the answers to you. You can even change pictures. You can do whatever you want to with AI. AI helps you. That's what AI is going to do here for us. AI is going to help us, and AI will tell you anything about highway space, bloxico, and blockchains, and everything you wanted to know. Everything is there. Like the highway space starts now. So this is just amazing to see what they can do for us on the AI. You guys can see here, a Mosaic chain is globally recognized multi-award winning project here at Forbes. This is the best opportunity that they have to offer because it offers a lifetime of passive chain, and it is globally recognized multi-award winning project with 7 awards in total. They are featured in Forbes magazines, as you can see in front of you, and participating in Finance and FinTech Festival and the Budapest Festival. Budapest Festival. Oh, my tongue. They are featured in TV shows, radio stations, YouTube, and you name it. You can see it's all there, it's everywhere. Just ask ChatGPT or even AI on your phone, on WhatsApp. They will show you who we are. So they are basically everywhere. That was presented to D-Labs and Attila Vodkakovic for Blockchain Personality of the Year. So we're going to the next slide. So the next slide, you guys will see That is amazing awards for the Mosaic Chain Awards, unpresented awards in 2023. You have the Mosaic Chain Awards in 2023, Mosaic Chain Platform, the Gap Filling DeFi Platform of the Year. Then Atelier Dakovic and Pioneer of the Decentralized World Award, and then Peter Molnar presented with Blockchain Architecture of the Year 20, all three in 2023. This is just wonderful to see, guys. Let's go to the next slide. As you guys can see, we're now in 2026. These guys are working very hard to help us and to get all these awards. It's just amazing. So when they get the awards, we feel free. We sit back and we relax. They do the work. Another two awesome awards that you can see in front of you. Here you can see the entire team is basically standing and pointing towards the golden award that they have actually received for the best emerging decentralized solution category that was presented to the team in 2025. Then early in 2026, they have won another one, which is the best ecosystem presented to the company, and that was obviously within the organization with people that was basically attending this conference. They all voted on this award for them to win. So let's go to the next slide. I don't know what to say to you guys. It's always just amazing. I don't know. There's other words I can use, but I'm not going to use it yet, as you guys know. So we need to be in place here. So here you guys can see blockchain basic in short. So what we're going to tell you about blockchain, it's a collaboratively maintained Excel file that no one can modify without the consent of the majority of participants. Island and bridges. Each blockchain is a separate island, and bridges enable communication between them. So guys, let's say each island you can see on the screen there, of course, each island, there's bridges in between where they go from the one island to the next island. Let's go to the next slide. Here you guys can see the highway space, you have the blockchain and the Polkadot and everything. Now you're going to ask me what is what here. So let's tell you what is what here. As you can see in front of you, you've got the Polkadot network and the highway hub on the bottom. Mosaic chain, that is one of those parachains, and they all have trading volume, which they can basically now interact with each other on the Polkadot network via the Mosaic chain. Then you also have the highway hub. The highway hub consists of nomad nodes, that's the machines, and anchor nodes and vanguard nodes. These are all machines that are basically called validators. And what they do is validate all transactions that happens on the system. Not only do they validate transactions, but they also add the security of the system. You have the 6 networks coming on board, 3 coming in May, and then 3 in December. In the current market situation, cross-chain bridges, you have a very strong demand here, guys. April, May, June, July. So yeah, they're here, guys. It's almost here. Why aren't you in yet? Buy your ticket for $100 and then you're in. You can earn with us. Let's go to the next one. The current market situation, cross-chain bridge. As you can see on the right-hand side, there's a picture showing you from 2025. It goes right up to the top, a very sharp curve. It's like if you have a motorbike, you can like a wheelie there on top. It's just awesome. So let's see what it's all about. Strong demand. USD 1.43 billion in 2024. 27% annual growth expected to hit 10 billion USD by 2033. Yo, guys, it's a lot. Security problems. Over 40% of crypto thefts are related in bridges. 2.8 billion USD in losses. Recent example, in June 2025, False Bridge was hacked with 3.7 million USD dollars. Overcrowded market, more than 20 bridges, but few truly decentralized and arbitrage-oriented solutions. Guys, luckily, yeah, they've got everything in place, security and everything, nothing to worry about. We got you covered here. So yeah, we're going to see competing bridges at Polkadot. As you guys can see, here, The blockchain type of connection, if they are decentralized or not, validators knows that's the machines that you're going to have and what these guys do have. Ethereum is partly decentralized, got 25 machines there. Binance, you all know Binance, they are not decentralized with 20 machines. Solana is not decentralized, 19 machines. As you guys can go down, Cosmos, Avalanche, Bitcoin, you guys know Bitcoin, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism. You guys can see all the machines there. 6,000 nodes versus competitors 20 to 180. Our decentralization, your security. You can type in ChatGPT and see if this is true. I believe it. I did it. I checked it. I want to see what is it all about. It is just amazing to see that when you ask something on the internet, everything shows you exactly what these people are saying as well. So it is not just a how did I say it? A finger-sucking information bot. No, it's not. This is real, guys. Roadmap updated. There's the roadmap. You guys can see on June, July 2025. There's the MVP scope, definition, MVP planning, the white paper, as you guys can know. The white paper is very important for a company. If there's no white paper, there's no business. August 2025 to March 2026, core protocol, implementation, Solana, Polkadot, as you guys can know what it is now about, Highway and Ethereum, arbitrage or token breach in April 2026. We're in April now. Testnet, deploy, performance testing, security audits. This is what they're doing now in April. Awesome. You're just getting goosebumps to see these people are busy with these things now, what we're talking about. May 2026, Mainnet launch, Relay, 3,000 plus of them. Solana plus Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chain. You guys know Binance. Most of you guys work with Binance. Highway, Yieldy. December 2026. There's 3 more chains coming up. Apps, token breach, and 1 more extra is going to come. Relays, 6,000 plus is going to come in. So guys, why aren't you in? Let's go to the next slide. So the next slide, we're saying we are changing the blockchain history. Why do we want to change it? Because we want to do everybody good. Or must I actually say the presenters want to do good. And all these guys that's doing it for us, they want us to have a good and fantastic holidays. Because why? Because we earn it. Because we live. We were born to have a happy ending. So let's create your ending by bloxico. By building Mosaic Highway, we are not just adding a feature, we are rewriting the rules of the cross-chain interoperability. This is a revolution in how assets and messages travel between chains by ChatGPT. So guys, it is just, I don't know, I keep on saying this is awesome, but it depends on what you want to see, what you want to think about it. 3 questions for crypto project evaluation. Who is behind the project? Is it centralized or really decentralized, as I showed you the slides before? Is it open source? Yes, it is open source. There we can see this open source. You can take a picture and then you can type those open source in. You guys can see there on top. Where do I go now? If I want back. There you can see there's the keywords. You can type in the keywords in there. This is the Budapest University of the Technology and Economics, Faculty of Electrical Engineering and Informatics. So guys, there you can see, it's not a hoax. It's not. So here you guys can see service provider, who is who. There we can show you Bloxico Software Solutions. There's the address, reseller, Creative City Group, KFT. Like I always say, guys, write down these addresses. You can buy a plane ticket. You can go and see if they're there or not. And then the customers like us, I don't think they're going to put all our addresses here. There's not enough space for us. So let's say, who is Bloxico? Let's go to the next slide. Who is Bloxico? Their services include software development, IT outsourcing, and blockchain consulting. Their references include major Web3 projects such as TickBase, a decentralized ticketing platform, Flare, a data-oriented layer 1 chain, Atlas Scan, product authentication on the Cardano base, the Catalyst voting platform, and the Filecoin testing matrix. The company was founded in 2018. 2018 was just some time ago. It's not far away. So, guys, it is just amazing to see how these guys worked long before. They worked with over 100 experts, 100 plus 100 experts, not less than 100, more than 100. It's just amazing to see how big is the team. 1,152%. It is just awesome to see how they grow. Since the launch, they have achieved 1,152% growth. Would you like it to see 1,152% growth in your wallet? Yes, we want to, because we want to see what's happening. That's why we are here. They ranked 9th on Deloitte Central European Fast 50 list. Guys, type in your chat GPT or even in your AI, you can check it out. Deloitte. Let's see what they say about Deloitte, and you guys can see if it's true or not. Yeah, you guys will see. Nenad Tanovaskovic, CEO, blockchain strategist, technologist, innovator. Nenad Tanovaskovic is highly respected figure in the European blockchain and fintech space, combining over 3 decades of international experience in software engineering, IT leadership, and decentralized systems. As you guys can see there, it is just amazing to have these guys on board. Robert Posick, the co-founder, sales strategist, fundraising expert. Robert Posick is one of the driving forces behind the Mosaic Galaxy and Highway ecosystems, combining over 30 years of experience in marketing, communication, and leadership with deep technical knowledge in programming that dates back to 1983. Andrea Markovic is a blockchain product lead. Andrea Markovic is a seasoned blockchain specialist and technical product manager with extensive experience in decentralized technologies. He has held key roles at Bloxico, a prominent blockchain and fintech company, where he served as product owner and blockchain specialist. Who needs more people, guys? Tudorovic, blockchain architect. He is a blockchain developer with a strong background in decentralized systems and smart contract architecture. He graduated with a degree in computer science from the University of Belgrade and further specialized in Web3 technologies through the Polkadot Blockchain Academy. It is just amazing to see we've got so much clever people working with us. Highway packages, your entry ticket. Investing in a highway package means securing your early access to the project that builds essential market infrastructure, like buying a ticket to a startup with massive future potential. Thank you very much, guys. I don't know who's the next person is going to carry on, but please help us to show what is it all about to have the blockchain further from here. Thank you, Adriano.
Thank you, Tony. Tony, that was fantastic. Put some fire in the chat for Tony, please. So the most important question is, how can you profit from it? Now, as we said, you need to take action. Action takers are the money makers. So let me share. Okay, continue sharing the screen. Thank you. So most important is that you take that action. Buy your highway package. This is your entry ticket to owning the infrastructure. Investing in a highway package meaning you're securing your early access to a project that builds essential market infrastructure. It's like buying a ticket to a startup with massive, massive future potential. Your lifetime income will start in May once the Mosaic High network is fully operational. And every time it generates profit from cross-chain arbitrage, yieldy staking, and transaction, you will be getting a share from it, and your contribution basically gets rewarded. So you're getting the shares every time this arbitrage happening, yieldy staking, and fees. You will be earning even when you're asleep, basically giving you that lifetime passive income, regular cash flow. It is predictable, continuous monthly income. You have time freedom. You're no longer trading your time for money, but instead your money is working for you. Quality time with your family. You will have more moments with your loved ones, including longer vacations, personal freedom, pursuing your other meaningful goals and aspirations, better health, well-being. Next slide, please. And lifestyle design, living your life on your own terms and enjoying your dream lifestyle. This is what Mosaic Highway will give you, like I said, if you take the needed actions. If you want to earn before the mainnet launches in May, then go out there, share the opportunity. We have a fantastic affiliate program where you can earn extra 7 income streams. If you share the opportunity, invite your friends and contacts to join this project. You will be receiving Mosaic Highway rewards for each successful referral. And together we can build a stronger community, and you will be simply using your influence to earn more. Is it accessible to everyone? Absolutely. As long as you're 18 and above, you don't need to be a tech expert. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. The developers will be handling all the complex process in the background, while you simply tracking your growing rewards to a transparent dashboard. Now here are the software solution package from 100 USDT to 25,000 USDT. Please pay attention. This is the most important part. If you're purchasing a 5,000 Noma node, a 10,000 Anchor node, or a 25,000 Vanguard node, these are the best packages. You will be a node holder. But it comes with responsibility, meaning you will need a hardware, a machine. It's like a computer. And that machine needs constant electricity and constant internet. The amount of electricity we'll be using is the same amount like your fridge that is constantly on 24/7. The smaller package from 100 to 1,500, they come with no responsibility. So you don't need a machine, you don't need electricity, you don't need internet, but you will be receiving lifetime passive income, the same like the nodes receiving. How does it work? You can see that each package comes with a digital certificate. The $100 has 1,500. The most expensive one has 500,000 digital certificate. The smaller packages receiving also percentage from 1% to 15%. Bring the slide back, please. From 1 to 15%. You're receiving this percentage from whatever a 10,000 Anchor node makes per month. I'll give you an example. If you have a getaway of $1,500, your digital certificate will be put in someone's Anchor node, and if the Anchor node makes $4,000 per month, you're receiving 15%. If the Anchor node makes $3,000, you're getting 15%. Depending on the amount of the node the Anchor node makes per month, you're receiving this percentage, depending on the package you're holding. As you have no responsibility, you will be paying from your profit 10% every single month to the holder of the Anchor node. Basically for the management of the node, while you have no responsibility, so you will be paying 10% every single month. Another thing is not everybody has $5,000, $10,000 or $25,000 to be a node holder. So you can start small and slowly upgrade your packages. And then by the end of April or end of December, all those packages that you have accumulated, you will be able to merge them together. And you might then have a total of purchase packages of $5,000, $10,000 or even $25,000, and you will be a node holder. And obviously, if you're a node holder, you will keep all your profit, plus making some extra 10% profit from those customers who didn't manage to get up to a node. Also, next slide, you have daily growth. That is very important when you're buying your package. Well, from the day you're buying it, you're receiving this amount of digital certificate. And then every single day, you're receiving extra digital certificate. Every single day, daily growth. From 1 with $100 up to 1,000 with a $25,000 Vanguard. Every single day, this digital certificate will be added to your existing ones that you received when you buy the package. So the earlier you buy those packages, the more digital certificate you will be holding when we're launching in May, compared to someone that buys it 1 week before the mainnet launches. He will have less digital certificate than you that bought it today or even 4 or 5 months ago. Now we have a fantastic promotion. It's called the liquidity promo. To participate in that promotion, you're going to receive 30% discount. How does it work? You need to freeze 10% of the package value into the liquidity pool. So if you want to buy a $1,500, you need, first of all, in total, you need $1,200 in your wallet to do this transaction. But first, you need to freeze $150. You go to highway promo, freeze that $150 for 2 years. You will get a liquidity pool token for it. After 2 years, you can withdraw that liquidity pool token and you will be able to sell it. So basically, after 2 years, you're going to get your $150 back plus some extra profit. Once you have done this, your package from $1,500 will be discounted of 30% to $1,050. So, like I said, for this transaction, you need $1,200. You can start with even $80 all the way up to $20,000 instead of $25,000. This is what you need to do, depending obviously always on your pocket size. If you have $2,000, you can buy a package for $1,500, 2 packages of $250. You can mix and match, okay? Also, you have earning rights with each package. Meaning, if you're sharing the opportunity, like I said, you have extra 7 income streams. The first one is the direct referral commission is 15%. But it's not 15% of the package value, but instead it's 60% of the package value. So the commissionable value is 60% of the package value. 40% will go to the development and 60% is paid out in commission. If you want to earn that 5% on your second level, then you need to start with at least $250 to qualify for that extra 5%. If you started with 100, you're missing out. Then we have binary bonus. It's paid out every Monday midnight, where you can earn from the binary bonus between $500 per week, even up to $25,000. Depending on the package you are holding, this will be your maximum cap that you can earn from that binary bonus. But to qualify for it, you need somebody actively referred to your left side in your binary tree and somebody actively referred to your right side. Then you're going to get paid 10% from the weaker side, the CV volume you have achieved. Every single week, you get paid 10%. Obviously, to earn those kind of figures, you need to work with your team, and the infinity bonus starts of 1% from the $5,000 package upwards. That's 1% from your whole structure. And the matching bonus on your first level of 10% starts with 1,500 upwards. Then we have also car bonus, where you can earn cars from $30,000 to $120,000 in 6 months with the sales volume. And you can also earn free packages with the sales volume you're making every 30 days. Next slide, please. So here are the 7 commission. I have mentioned the direct bonus, infinity bonus. Passive income from copy trading platform is another great one. But to participate for this one, you need to start with minimum $750 package. The binary I explained, 7 levels deep career, matching bonus. It depends obviously on the rank to unlock those other levels. You get 3% shares if you reach diamond rank of the last 6 months turnover volume from the company. This is a huge bonus. Last December, it was 21,000. In last June, it was 19,000. So I guess this June, it will be around $23,000, $24,000. car program I mentioned, and you can earn free packages. Now, the opportunity to earn free packages is actually one of the greatest innovation in network marketing, but it's only if it's backed up by valuable, revolutionary product like this one. While everything you earn from referrals can spend freely on your personal need or businesses, while at the same time you're accumulating high-value packages that will provide substantial passive income in the future. So this is probably the opportunity you always dreamt of, even if you have started to lose hope. Next slide, please. So this is a disclaimer. We are not financial advisors. The figures and projections and income are estimates and only for illustrative and educational purpose. They do not constitute guarantee, promise, actual results. Any financial performance or earnings based on detailed analysis of the current market potential. And this was prepared back in August with paid ChatGPT 5.0 version. So it should not be interpreted as a typical guaranteed or expected outcome, while the actual results may vary to market condition, software performance, and other external factors that are beyond our control. But if this is true, what ChatGPT has estimated to be accurate, then we can all make a projection of the profitability for the participation in this startup. And now here you can see all the packages with the lifetime monthly income. Now please don't expect to earn these figures right away from May, but in December, when we connect those other three chains, I would say that these figures are too small. But the market will determine the returns. But as we are connecting 70% in December, we're connecting 70% of the whole crypto market. That is worth between $3 to $4 trillion. So you can see why I'm saying that these figures are a bit too small. Next slide. So you can become a relayer, or you can become a relayer with three options, but always the same destiny. The three options are, you can buy it, you can build it, and you can earn it. That passive income that never stops. If you buy it, and you recognize a breakthrough when you see one, you can step in immediately and secure your own relayer license. You can build it, basically paying in steps. Like I said, not everyone has 5,000, 10,000, or 25,000 to be a note holder. So you can purchase packages whenever you have some funds. And at the end of April, December, you will be able to merge those together. Then the best part is you can earn that passive income that never stops. How? By simply sharing this opportunity, inviting your friends to these presentations, and helping them to join. You will be generating sales volume, and that sales volume will unlock free relayer packages. On the screen now you can see the required sales volume that is actually needed to get those free packages. Now you can do this yourself. If you're selling 4 packages to your friends of the same value, then you get one of the same value for free. If you're selling 4 packages of 1,500, you made $6,000 sales volume, you get one for free. So it is possible to earn free packages by recommending our projects to friends. This actually is a reward for contributing to the growth of the project. While the more relayers join at launch, the more valuable the system will become. So not only your direct referrals count, but also those who join through your referrals, even down to unlimited depth. There is a 50% rule, only one limitation. To reach your target reward, not more than 50% of the required sales volume can come from your most active referral, and the remaining 50% of the sales volume has to come from the others. This is an example. If your goal is to earn a $1,500 package, you need to generate $6,000 in sales volume. 50% of that is $3,000. That can come from your most active contact or referral, and the remaining has to come from the others. But you can earn those packages every 30 days, depending obviously how much sales volume you have made with your team or by yourself. But this you should actually leverage with your team. If you have 50 people in your team, meaning if everybody just puts 2% effort, You have the same effort like selling yourself 4 packages of the same value, for example. Next slide. So choose your path to success. Investors and network builders both are welcome and both lead to rewards. If you have capital but no time, best solution is become an investor. Let your money work for you. Do you have energy but no money? Become a network builder. Go out there, share the opportunity. Or if you merge those together, then using both, and you will be maximizing on both rewards. You can start with absolutely zero, nothing, but still end up with everything that matters. While this model restores a balance, having the money is no longer the advantage. What it is having a vision and work ethic. That is. Be a pioneer of next-gen blockchain infrastructure. The company is building Web3. You build a community, and you will be earning rewards for every new package that is sold in your organization, even down to the last person in your team. So it's not about luck, it's all about recognizing the opportunity in front of you. Most important is, you get back to the person that shared this business with you, take actions. Action takers are the money makers. Thank you for your attention.
There's some bits, something. What am I doing? Can you say that again? But you can't say. No.
Okay, you can't say that. No, Luis. Okay, so let's stop sharing, please. Let's give some packages away. Actually, before we do that, I want to show you how you can actually purchase your. Okay. So first of all, you need to log in, then you go to Wallet. In Wallet, you have a button that says Generate Address. Once you click that, the blockchain will give you the address where you need to send the USDT. The USDT or USDC has to be sent always via the BEP20 network. Very important, BEP20, not ERC20 or ERC20. Once your USDT are in your wallet, then you can go to Highway Promo. In Highway Promo, you find all the packages from $100, $250, $750, $1,500, $5,000, $10,000, and $25,000. Now, if you want to buy that getaway of $1,500, you need to freeze that $150, 10%. And all you need to do is add here 1, and obviously you need $150 in your wallet. Then send. Once you're sending it in your wallet, you will see the transaction down here where it says withdraw fee. It will say $150 pending. Once the transaction is completed, remember this web office works all on blockchain, it's running on Binance Smart Chain. Once the